Just a real quick clip here on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Young lady was driving along. She heard a clunk, and this is a good example of why, you know, getting your suspension checked out is always a good idea, because you can see this upper ball joint had no lubrication for a long time, and it started pitting and rusting, and the salt gets in there, salt water in the winter, and it causes issues. So she said she did hear some clunking and squeaking occasionally, but nothing crazy, and unfortunately that's now caused a larger issue. As you can see, the lower ball joints popped out, which didn't have an issue. That one did have a lubricant in there. Popped the CV axle out. The brake hose is like a rubber band right now, about to blow, so that should obviously be replaced. And then the inner and outer tie rod end are more than likely, yeah, that's definitely bent on the outer, and this inner probably is too, but this could also have caused damage to the rack itself. So it turns into a much more expensive repair over time. She's already got a tow truck on the way, and she has a mechanic, but I figured, and she didn't mind if I took a quick clip. She encouraged it. That way she can show this to her mechanic and kind of, well, he's going to see it anyway. This is just a good example. Again, if you hear the squeaking ball joint when you're turning the wheel, this ball joint's doing two things. It's when you turn your wheel, it's rotating, and when your suspension goes up and down, it's rocking back and forth. It's very important, and unfortunately on the new modern vehicles, none of them have grease zerks like the good old days, and this is what you end up with. She's very lucky that it happened at slow speed. You know, New Jersey doesn't have state inspection anymore, but well, good luck to you. You said it was pretty violent when it came off, or was it?
It was just like shaking. I don't know. And then it was clicking, and then I lost control. Then I had to pull over, and then it just came out. But then I tried to turn the thing on. I was like, I felt something going like this, but then it was.
Gotcha.
It was on the fucking ground.
All right. Well, hey, good luck to you, and hope you get it back on the road soon.